Hello everyone, my name is Christopher Smith, and today we're going to talk about finding a coordinate on a line. Now to do this, we are going to use an example of flying a 1.5 hour flight from Atlanta to St. Louis. Now to do this, we are going to need both coordinates of both cities. Atlanta's coordinates are 33.76 degrees north and 84.4 degrees west. And St. Louis's coordinates are 38.6 degrees north and 90 degrees west. Now just a little background information. The degrees north means degrees north of the equator, which is the invisible line that wraps around the Earth horizontally. And degrees west means degrees west of the prime meridian, which is the exact same thing, except that it wraps around the Earth vertically. Now back to the question. We need to find out the length of the difference between degrees north and degrees west, to find which we can make on a triangle. So 38.6 degrees north minus 33.76 degrees north equals 4.84 degrees north, which is the difference in degrees north, and 90 degrees west minus 84.4 degrees west equals 5.6 degrees west, and that is the difference between their coordinates. Next, using the numbers that we've found, we can use everyone's favorite theorem, the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We can plug in the numbers that we have, 4.84 squared plus 5.6 squared equals c squared. Add everything up, and c squared equals 7.4, which is the hypotenuse of the triangle. Now next, we can make the triangle at the 1 hour point. We can make a triangle out of that, which the triangle is similar to the triangle that we originally found, due to them both sharing the same angle here and being right triangles. So what we can do is 1.5 over 1 is equal to 7.4 over x. After factoring that, we get that x equals 4.93. Knowing this, we can find out this angle right here, which we can use reverse tangent, which is 4.84 over 5.6, which equals 40.84. And knowing this, we can find out the lengths of what we're going to call x and what we're going to call y. So the sine of 40.84 equals x over 4.93. So x equals 3.72. And cosine of 40.84 is equal to y over 4.93. Find that to get y equaling 3.73. Now knowing those lengths, we can solve to get the coordinates of it. Now something that always helps me remember is the coordinates that we're going to. The coordinates of Atlanta to St. Louis, since we're going from 33.76 degrees north to 38.6, and 84.4 equals 90, we know that we are increasing to get the coordinates. So 33.76 degrees north plus 33.72 degrees north equals 37.48 degrees north, and 84.4 degrees west plus 3.73 degrees west equals 88.13 degrees west. So that means that the coordinate that you would land on would be 37.48 degrees north and 88.13 degrees west. Now, to find out if it's true, we can use a website like Google Maps to figure out if it's true. So, I've already done that. Here is Atlanta, here is St. Louis, and here is the coordinate that we found. Now, as you can see, going from here to here, that coordinate is actually a bit off. And the thing that you can take away from this is that minor changes to the coordinates, which is what I did. I rounded a couple of the coordinates for both cities, which is shown because St. Louis's coordinates west is not exactly 90. Anyway, a small coordinate change doesn't seem very big, but on a map it spans miles, which is something that you can know. But anyway, our coordinate is close enough to the line, both show where you would about land, which is somewhere here in Kentucky. Anyway, that is how you find a coordinate on a line. Thank you for listening.